Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. Today, I want to talk about something really important. We are on 6th October today. I know the last 1 week you wouldn't have studied much, you wouldn't have been able to concentrate because so many distractions were there. Navaratri time, Dashara time, Dandiya nights will happen, Golu hopping will happen, and YouTube also so many distractions were there, etc. etc. So yes, I understand. Last 1 week, weekend, Kantara movie has come, definitely must watch. So I understand if you're not able to study. But today is 6th October. And again, there is going to be a big distraction on 20th of October, that is Diwali is going to come. Now, in between, we have 2 weeks' time for you to use to the fullest advantage. Now, what can you do in the 2 weeks? Now, if you look at the entire syllabus, it is going to look huge. Now, imagine you want to scale a huge mountain. It is going to take 20 days for you to scale the huge mountain and come back on the other side. You can have a mini goal saying, today I will do 5 kilometers, tomorrow another 5 kilometers. In the first 8 to 12 days, I will reach the top of the mountain. That is the mini goal that you are going to have for yourself. Then ultimately, when you come back down, it will be approximately about 20 days only. Same way, in this 2 week span, that is 6th October to 20th October, have that mini goal, which is just going to be a fragment of the overall goal of completing the whole syllabus. Now, in this 2 weeks, if you're a person who is writing the Jan 26 exam or the May 26 exam, I definitely want you to celebrate Diwali without any guilt. That is the most important part. When the whole country is celebrating, you cannot be with your books. You also definitely have to celebrate. Even if you do not want to celebrate, there will definitely be distractions because new movies will be released. There will be lots of sounds at that time. So now is the time for you to set the mini goal. Plan to study for 5 to 7 hours per day, effectively for 5 hours. That is very good. In the 14 days, without even realizing, you will be finishing 70 hours. That means almost entire syllabus of one subject you will be able to complete. Yes, in case if you're a person, you don't have exams, you're just waiting for results. Now, in this 2 weeks' time, you can aim to learn a skill. What kind of a skill? You want to start going to the gym. Yes, do this for this 2 weeks. And you can eat lots of sweets during Diwali. You want to learn cooking. Do it. You want to learn Excel. These basic formulas like pivot table, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP. Yes, you can learn it in this 2 weeks time. More than sufficient. Or even macros if you want to learn in Excel. It is very, very good. You don't have to waste any money. YouTube is the best place to study Excel, whether it is basics or macros. YouTube is the best place. Free resources, so many are available. If you want to learn any AI course, yes, you can do that. There are so many AI courses available. Recently, I went to this workshop from Shreya Bajaj. She's also a chartered accountant. She's very well versed in AI. She had a workshop. I went and attended. It is too good. Until I attended that workshop, I was thinking Chat GPT, Gemini, you can chat with them, ask them questions. They will be giving it is a LLM, language model, large language model. That is all that I know. But only after going to the workshop, there are so many other tools. Google itself has something called Google Labs. Under that, Flow is there. You can create videos. So many things are there. Now, all we use AI for is going to Gemini, make me in 80s, wearing a sari. All these photos we are seeing on Instagram. Yes, but there is much, much more to AI, guys. You can do a course on that. 2 weeks, yes, basics you can cover. Anything you want, you can do. But plan, have a mini goal right now so that you can go and enjoy your Diwali like anything. Now, whatever you have planned, let me know in the comments. How many hours you have planned to study? What have you planned to complete? And no exams. You want to learn a skill. What is the skill that you are planning to learn? It will be helpful for the other students also who are watching this video. They will also be like, oh, Excel, here in this place, that person has put the link. I will also go there and see. Like that, it will be very, very helpful for other students also. So please let me know in the comments as to what you are planning to do, how you are setting that mini goal for yourself yourself in this 2 weeks period. Yes, guys, all the very best.